What's up, guys? We're gonna see about cooking us some steaks for supper. Stick around. This ain't no super fancy restaurant. This is just literally here at the house, and I'll show you what we do and what we get. The first thing that you need to make sure of is that you use a good quality steak. See here, all I use is some of the McCormick steak seasoning, some garlic powder, some black pepper, and some salt. Now, a lot of people make the mistake of under seasoning their steaks. Don't do that. You're going to also need a fast read temperature probe. Check the link down in the description of this video. I'm going to put a few things down there that you might be interested in. But be sure, guys, to season them up good. You can see here, I've put some salt on them, putting some black pepper on them now, and don't skimp on the seasoning. Get a good steak, a good thick steak, and then season it real well. You don't have to use a lot of fancy seasonings. You can see here just a little bit of garlic, nothing too fancy. And then, of course, I'm going to be putting on some of the McCormick steak seasoning. You can use other brands. That's just what I like. And something else, guys, that I would recommend is make sure that you go ahead and fix you up some good bread, because you're going to get some good au jus sauce off of this. If you do it right, that you're going to absolutely love. It's absolutely great. But now, guys, I'm just going to be seasoning it up. I've got we're going to be cooking these on the Blackstone, so I've got it heating up at the point that you're seeing now. You can see here is the Blackstone, and we're just going to go ahead and get these steaks laid on here. You can see I've got it on high heat, just getting that good sear. I want to make sure that I get that sear properly, and we're just going to leave them there 3 to 5 minutes and checking the temperatures. We're going to do that about 3 to 5 minutes per side. Just really depends on how much heat you've got, and checking that temperature at internal temperature for your preferred temperature range. Whether you want medium, whether you want well, but I don't know why anybody would want a well done steak. You don't want to overcook your steaks. You can see here how these are doing. It's just absolutely delicious. You can see we're getting a little bit of that caramelization, and of course we're flipping it over. We got that good solid crunch there on that caramelization. And of course on the Blackstone we've got some butter. Recommend strongly that you use a little bit of butter on that. Keep it, just to help keep it from sticking. Plus it's going to give you a lot of flavor. Once you get it cooked on one side, go ahead and put a little bit of butter on that cooked side as well. You can use a few other things, but just adding a little bit of butter I think just makes it just that much better. And guys, check the links down below this video. I'm going to put a link to one of these Blackstone cookers as well as one of those instant read thermometers. And and that way you can do exactly what you see me doing here. Fix up a good salad, have a good baked potato, and you've got yourself a meal that will rival any steakhouse. There again, keep those seasonings simple, guys. You don't have to have a lot of fancy seasonings on steaks. And just keep it simple. Make sure that you get that internal temperature right. Let them rest for about 10 minutes or so after you cook them, and it's going to be good to go. You can see here we got our salad, we got our steak set on there, and you can see here just that is a perfectly cooked steak. Just look at that. It's absolutely delicious, and I'm telling you guys, you will not be disappointed. But guys, thanks for watching. Check out the rest of the videos on my channel. Be sure to subscribe, leave me a comment down below, and we'll see you next time.